Alam mo ba na ang insurance can pay the estate tax? Gusto mong malaman kung paano? Panoorin mo tong video na to. Maraming Pinoy ang hindi alam kung ano ba yung estate tax. According to RA 10963, it simplifies the estate tax schedule from 6 brackets ranging 5% to 20% to a single rate of 6% based on the value of net estate. Teka, pwede bang isimplify mo yung paliwanag? So eto na nga, estate taxes are afterlife taxes o buwis na pinapataw sa ari-arian. Mapapera man yan, bahay, lupa, sasakyan, alahas, business, at lahat ng financial assets ng isang taong namatay bago mailipat sa pangalan at mapakinabangan ng mga tagapagmana or beneficiaries niya yung mga assets na yon. Wala itong exemptions ha. Those assets will be considered frozen until 6% estate tax is paid. OMG, diba? So kung may 1 million na ari-arian yung namatay, kailangan mo pang magbayad ng 60,000 bago mapasayo yung mga naiwan niya. At ito pa, kapag hindi nabayaran ng buwis within the period that the law allows, it will generate a penalty. Penalty that grows over time. Over time until the estate tax plus penalties become too much that it exceeded the value of the property. Nakakalungkot yun. Ang ending, imbis na mapakinabangan ng tagapagmana ang naipundar na asset, it will only be consumed by taxes and be taken by the government. At yan na papasok sa insurance. Yung insurance kasi na makukuha ng mga beneficiaries ang magko-cover ng mga naiwang bayarin. So instead na magkaroon ng penalty at magbenta ng mga namanang property, pwedeng gamitin ang insurance payout para bayaran ng estate tax. Ngayon alam mo na, please manage your asset and plan your estate. Don't wait until it's too late. Pinaghirapan yung ipundar yan, so don't let others benefit from it. If you wanna know more how to address estate tax, click nyo lang yung blue basket or just leave me a message. See you!